Hello guys, today I am gonna show you how you can properly refill the detergent row in washer dryer LG Vivace R750. So let's open the detergent row, and as you can see there have two chambers. This one is for a S dispense function. When the S dispense function is activated, liquid detergent and fabric softener are dispensed at the present amounts at the appropriate time during the cycle. So the left compartment is for a liquid fabric softener or liquid detergent. If detergent is added to the left chamber, fabric softener cannot be used. The right chamber is for a liquid detergent. The main compartment is for a laundry detergent, like a powder or laundry liquid detergent. So if you don't use the S dispense function, use this compartment. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.